everyone. Let us introduce Aku Malasari.
My name is Ali. My name is Danny.
Okay, we are second semester student from Pamulang University. Today, we would like to present our English assessment from the third meeting, which is about adverbs. Wait, I wanted to show you my presenting. Wait a minute. Okay, adverbs and adverbial clauses adding detail to your sentence. Slide 2. What is an adverb? Use you connect to each verb for yourself. Let's begin with the basic. What is an adverb? Simply put, an adverb is a word that gives extra information. It can describe. Example number 1. How an action is done. Like she sings beautifully. How often something happens. He always arrives on time. And example 3, where something happens, they play it outside. And example 4, to what degree? It was very cold. And example number 5, or even wonderfully, a whole sentence. Unfortunately, the meeting was cancelled. So, adverbs are like the seasoning of a sentence. They add flavor and detail.
Next, um, next slide. Types of adverbs. Now let's look at the main types of adverbs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adverbs. For example, the manner, time, place, frequency, and degree. So, for the manner, answering who, he spoke clearly. And then adverb of time, answering when, she will call tomorrow. And then adverb of place, answering where, right here. And then adverb of frequency, answering how often. Often. And then adverbs of degree, answering how much. It's quite interesting. And then next slide. What is adverbial clause?
What is an adverbial clause? More than a single word, an adverbial clause is a dependent clause as a subject and a verb that function as an adverb. Example, she was happy because she passed the exam. Main clause, she was happy. Adverbial clause, because she passed the exam. Next one. Just like adverbial clause come in different types. Here are the most common ones: time, reason, condition, contrast. Each tip answer a different question and help you connect the ideas more lebih jauh. Common types of adverbial clause connecting ideas: type, time, common conjunction, ada when, until, after, before. Example, when the bell rings, we can leave. Reason, common conjunction because signs as. Example, I left early because I was tired. Tired. Condition, common conjunction if or unless. Example, if it rains, the event will be cancelled. Next type, contrast. Common conjunction: I'll talk, even talk, well. Well. Example: I'll talk, it was expensive. I bought it.
Okay. Okay, and then next to slide 6, reduce adverbial clauses. Sometimes we can make our sentences shorter and more natural by reducing the adverbial clause. It is possible when the subject of both clauses is the same. For example, mhm, um, mana sih? For example, full clauses. No. Full clauses. While I was walking home, I met a friend. And then, example for reduces clauses. While walking home, I met a friend. It was very different. We remove the subject and the be verb, and they use the ing form in the main verb. It makes the synthesis smoother and more advanced. Uh, no. We must read the slide 7. And then common types of adverbial clauses, connecting ideas. It is important to know the difference between a clause and phrase. A clause has a subject and verb. A phrase does not. For example, clauses. He left before the meeting ended. For example, phrase. He left before the end of the meeting. But give a similar information, but the structure is different. Clauses give more detail because they include a verb. And then let's recap what we learned today. Number one, adverb tail to verbs, adjective, author adverb, or whole sentences. Two, adverbial clauses are mini sentences that work as adverb. They number three, they help us explain time, reason, condition, and more. Number four, we can reduce them to make our English more fluent. And finally, practice is the key. Try using this in your writing and speaking.
Okay, thank you so much. That brings us to the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for your attention and time. I hope the points I've shared will be clear and useful. If you have any question or thoughts, I'd be too happy to discuss them now. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.
Masih, masih cek.